Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your Polk audio speakers, it might feel a bit confusing at first, especially because there are different types like passive speakers, powered speakers, and Bluetooth models. Some need a receiver, while others connect directly to your TV or phone. This can make it seem complicated if you're not sure which method applies to your setup. The good thing is that once you understand the type of Polk speakers you have, the connection process becomes very simple. Within a few steps, you can get clear, powerful sound for music, movies, or gaming. Try these. Step 1. Identify if your speakers are passive or powered or Bluetooth. Step 2. For passive speakers, connect them to a receiver using speaker wire. Step 3. Connect the receiver to your TV or audio source. Step 4. For Bluetooth models, turn on pairing mode on the speakers. Step 5. Connect from your phone, TV, or device via Bluetooth settings. Step 6. Test audio and adjust volume and sound settings.